Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question if you can continuously record from the Wyze Cam Outdoor with the Wyze Cam Pen or Wyze Cam V2. So actually the Wyze Cam Outdoor is not intended or was not built to continuously record. I mean, it's running from the battery power, and battery power is limited, so it's intended to last for a couple of months. If you do continuously recording or like time lapse, it will highly compromise the battery runtime. But you can do some continuous recording. You cannot turn it on and say okay, just record 24/7. It's not working, but there's something which you can do. So let's go to the camera. Here you can see, I'm doing a test for you now. You can see the battery is on 53%. So let's do continuous recording and see how this works. So what we have to do, we have to connect. Hopefully it will connect. So we go to the menu, and here we have the scheduled recording and can start now. I mean, I can set any day or date or time, whatever I want. You can see that I can go to like in a week or so, no problem with that. So I can, best is to cancel here and say start now, and I do a duration of 1 hour 0 minutes. Let's do that here. And so you can see it has then a pretty large size. Estimated size will be 450 megabytes. You have to be aware of that it's producing a lot of space. But if you're good with that, I mean, we have gigabytes on the micro SD card, so it shouldn't be a problem. So let's start that now. And you can see even here on the live screen the time is running, but we don't have to stay here, so we can really leave here, we can go out, we can even leave the whole app and keep it running. And so we'll check in an hour what happened to the battery and the footage and to everything. So the 1 hour period is over now, and the battery dropped to 45%. You can see that just with 1 hour recording, almost 10%. So with 10 hours of recording, permanent recording, battery would be empty even if it was full. So let's go to the footings. We click on that, try to connect, hopefully you'll find that. So let's go to the album here. We have photos, video, photos, videos, time lapse, and we have here the scheduled recording. So let's see what it has. I mean, we have the small one from the beginning, that was just a small test, 1 minute. Now we have the 1 hour recording, 380 megabytes. And the thing is just, okay, it looks like it worked. So battery dropped by 10%. The thing is then, just when we click here, it will probably take forever till we get the footage. As you can see, it's not downloading megabytes, it's downloading in kilobytes, and I have really no clue how long this would take. I mean, this could be not, probably this is not days, this is weeks or probably months when we download this like this. So there are two things where we can optimize that or work around. So the first thing is just take your camera and put it as close as possible to the base station. So this could speed up the wireless transfer because it's 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not standard Wi-Fi, but it's Wi-Fi. And the closer you are, the faster it will be. The second thing is, if you're unsuccessful or if it's still too slow, then just stop the camera and take out the micro SD card and put it into your computer. I mean, this is on your camera, it's not from on your base station. If you have a micro SD card on both sides, just go to the micro SD card of your camera, take it out, put it into your PC, and then you should be able to copy it like normal copy with your Windows Explorer, and then yeah, you can put it back into the camera. It's very annoying. You can see that we are just on 1% after, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes or so. 200 minutes, 3 hours or so, and the problem is we have to stay on the screen. As far as I know, we have to stay on the screen for the whole time. I've done similar things of transfer with the time lapse, and every time when I went out and went into a different menu, it stopped. The thing is also, what I've seen so far, we see this also in the time lapse. I mean, this is a problem. This is definitely a bug here from the Wyze Cam. We shouldn't see that in the time lapse, but you can see that now on top. It's also here, at least. Yeah, I mean, that's no big problem, but it's a little bit annoying when we see in the time lapse. It's not a time lapse. This is just a normal 1 hour recording. But you can see what you can do. I'm not going to wait for the footage, I mean, to end this video. The videos themselves are usually pretty good. They are pretty good quality. I guess it's the same as here when you record live. I've been recording 29 seconds here. You can see in HD, pretty good quality, also like a nice dynamic range, good colors, good everything. I mean, it's some kind of compression as we always have, but it's a really nice footage, I would say. Yeah, it's definitely not a bad thing. I mean, also the time lapse, everything is really good as long as we can get it. You can see that here, nice footage everywhere, but it just takes too long to transmit these things. But it looks like it's working. We get the footage. Yeah, it's in this section here, scheduled recording, but we can at the moment also find it in the time-lapse section, and transmitting is very slow, or you have to use your micro SD card. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.